Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to the Avery Family. Today we are showing you my sister's disaster slime. It's like really bad, tell you the truth. As you can see, it's very sticky, but if you poke your hand, it's not that sticky. It's magical. That's probably because if you look at it very closely, it's soap. It is soap. Be right back. I have to go wash my hands. Okay, this is what I was playing it with. Sorry about that. Fire alarm went off, but it was just the oven. Comment down below what ingredients I should put in no glue slime. Okay, so before we leave, smash the subscribe button, turn on the notifications, and give a huge thumbs up. Bye!